How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Here's how to check in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the footsteps icon in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on it. This will open Profile View History. If it's your first time using this feature, in the top right corner there is Settings sign. Tap it and turn on to enable it. Once you turn on, you'll be able to see a list of people who have viewed your TikTok profile recently. Um, Keep in mind that this feature works both ways. When you turn on Profile View History, other users who also have the feature enabled can see when you visit their profiles. If you don't see the footsteps icon, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, as availability can vary by account and region. That's it. You can now check who has viewed your TikTok profile directly from the TikTok app. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.